Hi everyone, welcome back to Sunsarts. Today I'm going to work on two of the projects. So one of them would be a picture frame that I got for one of the Mother's Day from my daughter. It actually fell from the table. The outer shell came out, but the glass is in good condition though. So I thought like I would, give a new look to it and reuse it again. So basically what I'm thinking is to paint the outer shell using the Tumbling Tower wooden blocks that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to put it around it like that and paint the gray color. I got this chalk paint from Dollar Tree, black, and also the white paint from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to mix these two colors and give the gray to this wooden blocks and stick it using the wood glue. And I may need fix all, so I'm going to use that as well. And I also might need some of the glue sticks and a glue gun. So yeah, I'm going to fix this, basically paint this and come back on this project. And this one is actually one of the plaque that I was using in the kitchen, and it's destroyed for some reason. When we are moving from one place to another, I think that this part got ripped off, so it's not in a good condition, and this part also broke for the other one. So I'm going to give a new look to it. So I'll come up with a plan to work on this project, and I'll go and paint these blocks and come back. So quick update you guys, the picture frame that I'm trying to renovate. So what I did for this Tumbling Tower blocks, that I painted chalkboard paint black, and I was thinking about doing gray, but again it ended up being black, and I stuck around the frame and I saw it wasn't looking bad, so I'm going to go with this. And what I'll do is I'll just stick this with the wooden glue that I got from Dollar Tree, and also maybe I'll decorate some more on the frame part as well. And for this wall hanging plaque in the kitchen that I was also trying to renovate, I'll also paint around the borders on the black, maybe like a black paint, because the paint looks old and I wanted to give a new look to it, right? So I'm going to paint it more and give a neat look to it. So, and also what I did was, like, the frame that was coming off from this wall hanging, what I did was I just stuck it with super glue, and I also secured with the tape so it gets tightly stuck to it. And what the plan is to remove the rooster images from both of these wall hangings, and to use this placemats images and stick to it. So I got this placemat from Dollar Tree, and what I'm planning to do is maybe cut the images from there according to the size of the plaque and stick on the plaque. So I'm thinking maybe I'll attach the cheese, or maybe the grapes, or maybe the wine bottle or wine glass. I'll see which one looks good, and yeah, I'll go ahead and cut and do the painting part, and I'll be back. So hi, welcome back. What I was trying to do here is I'm trying to put some super glue from Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to glue with the hard glue. Like that. So while we were gone, I just stuck all the the blocks, the wooden blocks around it, and these gaps were all actually stuck with the metallic beads, the leftover from my 4th of July project. So I just stuck it like 3 on 4 corners. So this metallic pearls are matching the inner gray. So I thought like that would be like a good balance between the colors of the picture. So yeah, so I like it. This is one of it. So this is one of the renovated picture frames. So now I can put myself and my daughter's picture in there. So yeah, I love it. So let's go into the other one. So from that placemat, I cut the cheese and grapes, and the grapes that are hanging from the twiner, I believe. So yeah, I'm going to stick like this and give a new look to it. So also I painted the borders and the frame with the paint, the chalkboard paint, which I got from Dollar Tree. So just to freshen up and give a new look to it. So now I'm going to stick this. This is a very simple project, you guys. You can work with your children, or maybe, ask them to pick nice placemat design and make them cut. And we can all work as a family together. Now this is the time to, have a quality time with your children. That will be a good project to work with your kids. I like it. So it's also got the nice sheen from the placemat. So I don't have to work anything beyond that. So this is one plaque. I don't want to put super glue because I'm scared, because this is some kind of a vinyl material or plastic material, I don't know, and I don't want to damage this. So I'm just going to hot glue it. If it rips off, then I'll find a better solution, but for now I'm going to hot glue it. This is it, guys. This is how I'm going to hang it, because it's got the things that I can hang. And yeah, I'm going to hang it like this, maybe like this. The grapes from the twiner we are eating with the cheese. So that's the thing I want to give a look to. So yeah, this is the final look about these 2 projects that I wanted to renovate. This is the picture frame that I renovated, and this is the 2 of the kitchen plaques, wall hangings, that I renovated. So I'm very happy how it turned out. I hope you also enjoyed watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like and share. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.